This 2018 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 32 saw is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a raw silk, English chestnut cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, stove top burner, skylight, leveling jacks, awning, air conditioning, self-contained, slideout, TV, external shower, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2018 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 32 saw is built on a Ford 24,000 chassis and is powered by a Ford 6.8 LV10 320 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.